Hi, I will give you a quick overview of the Print Reports wizard in this video. In the last lesson, I talked a little about data entry, sorting your data, and finding important information. Now, we show how you can quickly create reports. Let's review some sample reports created for a small book library system, an equipment office inventory database, or a car dealership solution. Here we have a book list report grouped by author. In this book report, books are grouped by call number. In the car listing report, cars are grouped by the car brand. Car report where fields are in rows. This is simple car report in the table format. An inventory list report with prices and totals. This report includes all equipment details. Now, we show how you can quickly create reports. You can open the Print Report window from the Reports list box. Click New Report. The main page displays information about the report, data source, table name, report description. The Report Options section let you define report title and the report scope. The definition of the new report, you start from the Data Fields page. On the Data Fields page, select the data fields that you want to include in your report. Highlight a field on the left side list, and click on the green arrow button. If you want to include next field in the same line or column, then press on the plus button. If you selected fields in columns as report layout, you can specify the widths of individual fields. Highlight a field in the included fields list and enter the width value into the width edit box. Click Set Width to save the new width. You can decide which report layout options you want to use. Include field names, display grid lines, and decide on the report format that you would like to use. The default layout is fields and columns. After you set your report layout options, click Quick Preview to preview changes. The Quick Preview report displays only several records on one page. To check the whole report, click Preview Report. You can set page margins, page size, and page orientation. Select the font type, size, color for the report on the Fonts page. Define the report title and additional options on the report title page. After the report has been created, you may want to test it by clicking on the Preview button. If you are not satisfied with the report, adjust the report options and preview it again. If you think you may want to use this report in the future, save the report as a report template by clicking on the Save button. Later, you can reuse the saved report by clicking on the Load button. Saved reports are also accessed from the main toolbar. After this video, please watch the lesson about how to print labels. With our program, you can print many label types like barcode labels, tags, address labels, ID cards, stickers, and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our help system at www.primasoft.com.